women among those injured in Maxfield shooting. Taxi driver shot and killed in Iron River, St. Andrew. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Two women are reportedly among the victims injured in Monday's shooting along Terwari Crescent on Maxfield Avenue. According to police reports, the women, who have since been hospitalized, were traveling in a black Honda HRV when an armed man approached a vehicle and opened fire. In an attempt to escape, the driver reportedly sped onto Spanish Town Road, where the car collided with a Toyota Probox. The two women were reportedly assisted by police officers who were quick on the scene and transported them to the Kingston Public Hospital. One of the women is said to be in critical condition. It is understood that Monday's shooting is the latest in a string of attacks in the area believed to be the result of an ongoing gang feud. Investigations into the incident are ongoing. The St. Andrew police are probing the fatal shooting of a taxi operator in Iron River, St. Andrew on Monday night. The deceased has been identified as 41-year-old Gregory Francis, also known as Greg of Iron River. It is reported that about 8:40 p.m., residents heard explosions and summoned the police. Upon the arrival of the police, Francis' body was found slumped over in the driver's seat of a Toyota Probox motor car. No motive has been established for the killing.